Hello everyone. Now for 2024, the Hornet family has expanded by introducing not one, but two exciting new members, with the Cb500 Hornet and Cb1000 Hornet. And for their specifications, let's discuss them in more detail. The Cb1000 Hornet is an optimized version of the inline four-cylinder engine installed on the 2017 CBR1000RR and is equipped with an engine that produces an output of more than 110 kilowatts and a torque of more than 100 Newtonmeters. The body uses a newly developed steel double-spar frame, and the front is equipped with a 41mm Showa Hitachi Astemo split-function fork (SFF) big piston that can be adjusted on the compression and rebound sides, inverted suspension combined with a Showa ProLink rear shock unit. In terms of styling, it sports ultra-compact dual LED projector headlights, a typical Hornet fuel tank that is wide at the front and narrow at the rear, and a small seat gives it a distinctive sleek feel. The new frame is also subtly blended in black, making it a distinctive design feature. In addition to electronic throttle-by-wire (TPW) control, the rider can choose from 3 riding modes displayed on a 5-inch TFT color display. The Cb1000 Hornet's huge performance potential, high-quality specs, compact dimensions, and refreshing new styling make it a bike that's hard to ignore, especially for mid-capacity naked bike riders looking for the next step up the ladder. And here are the technical specifications. 999cc DOHC 16V 4-cylinder inline engine. Peak power of more than 110 kW equals 147,512 HP and torque of more than 100 Newtonmeters. Downdraft intake, 4-to-2-1 exhaust system. Throttle-by-wire, TPW. 3 default driving modes plus Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSC, and assist/zipper clutch. New twin-spar steel frame. Showa 41mm SFP USD fork.